normally shifts silky till this one hits 30 to 40 miles per hour and just breathes while moaning like he's had in a plane. Classic combo, toasted clutch plate, tire torque inverter line, and a valve body that's chewing itself up. Plus, that weak thing bearing circlet and fake temp sensor aren't helping. Let's pop the pan and see the carnage. The transmission apart, and yup, just as I thought, the clutch friction plates are toast. They're worn down bad, some even flaking apart, but that's not all. The gaskets are cracked, and those broken bits got into the gearbox, chewing up the gears. That's where that nasty noise is coming from. So, we're swapping out all the damaged parts, throwing in a fresh repair kit and piston pack to get this thing running smooth again.